is a Dyson DC50 upright vacuum cleaner. One of the small micro uprights that Dyson used to do. And this is a second one. Yes, I've had this one for so long. I know roughly what's wrong with it. That this one has since come along, and possibly think we could probably get one fully working machine out of these two. What is wrong with them? Well, I know of one of them. I don't know of the rest, so we'll have a look. We'll do the usual. We'll see what does and doesn't work, and then see if we can perhaps fix it using the spares from the others. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Dyson chums. How are you today? Yes, God, wouldn't a machine like this, although perhaps the later UP version with the metal bond, but wouldn't a machine this size just make a fantastic cordless vacuum cleaner? I still don't know why Dyson are so stubbornly sticking to the stick model. It is a tad annoying. But this machine isn't the best anyway. They're a bit flimsy. They are a complete sod to work with. And as we're about to find out, they break very easily. So a random stranger on Facebook asked me if I wanted this 4 parts because it doesn't work. He had a go at fixing it, or said he went to go and fix it and realised how difficult it was. And yeah, could I do anything with it? And I said, yeah, we probably can. And then it sat in the corner of the room for ages, which is why it's a little bit dusty. But that could possibly all soon be fixed. It is very clean though. I mean, the filter isn't quite up to my standards at all. There's a load of fluff in the bottom of there. Now I squeeze it. It's been cleaned up. It's not filthy. It's, you know, a very good base machine. Let's plug it in and see what could be wrong. I'm not plugged it in yet either. Yeah! That's got very good suction. A very good motor. Let's check the brush roll. Yeah, our brush roll is broken. God, there's a massive spider web sat under there. Yeah, the brush roll isn't working at all, which is a massive shame, really, because the rest of the machine is very clean. And the problem with the DC50, this is why I don't fully recommend these for a beginner project or to buy one in the hope it will work. They are renowned for either blowing the PCB or blowing the brush roll motor, and one can take the other out, as I have had past experience with, where the PCB just surged the power through when it went pop and blew the motor. And that's sort of why this sat, really. It wasn't top of our to-do list. We have done many other much more interesting machines since this one. But the other day I got given this from somebody at work. One of our managers was throwing it out. She bought herself a shark. She sort of regrets that now, I think, and maybe wishes she bought this one to me, but yeah, she's got the shark now. She's alright enough with it. This one has a spicy broken cable, which they fixed with flipping masking tape. What on earth? Never use masking tape to fix an electrical problem. And she says it's been cutting in and out. So I imagine that, yeah, one of these wires is broken, because that's why they had to get a new one. And they just kept this around until she realised that I could take it off her hands. So it is very much used and filled up. And I have seen it before. I put, and I think we filmed it, a new inner hose in the machine. So that inner hose is only a year or so old. Although I didn't fully restore it after that. How are we going to... Oh gosh, we're going to have to try and plug this in now. I might wire another plug onto this first, because this cable's scrap anyway, so I don't want to like come into any problems. So I think I'll wire another plug on and then we can test it out and check that its brush roll works. There we go, much safer, if not much more ugly than it was before. Oh, clip on there. Right, what works on this one? Yeah! Well, it works okay. It has little suction, and changing the bin doesn't seem to have given it much more either. But it ran. Now, I need to take a gamble here. I reckon that it's the PCB that is the fault of the machine. So I do not want to be... Oh, yeah, look. There we go. That's a cloth. Yeah, there's a bit of thread caught around that nice piece of plastic that Dyson ever so kindly put under there. Yeah, I don't want to go plugging this working head into this machine in case the PCB takes it out. But I'm going to take a gamble and we'll put this unknown head into the known working machine and see if it becomes another non-working machine. Ready? Oh. Okay, don't know if you noticed that, but the head did splutter and stutter, and I can smell burning. I think the motor's going in that head. Have we just killed this machine, or are we going to be okay? Click on, there we go. Oh no! Oh, that's annoying. I've just done what I was hoping we wouldn't do. Oh, bother. That head has just taken out that PCB. No, now I want to fix it even. Now I've broken the spares machine. What the heck? Oh, that's annoying. Oh no, wait, this is the broken machine. I'm getting confused. So the PCB is dead on this other machine. Oh, I think. Get off and go away. Because I swapped it. No, that. Oh. Yeah, I've killed it. I have destroyed my spares machine. That is so frustrating. Highlights why these are a massive no-go. Do not go near. If you don't even have a spares machine, because you could have just gone and spent some money on a new head and the PCB would have taken the head out, or you could have gone straight for the PCB, plugged the head back into it, and the head would have taken it out, just like it has done on this one. This one now no longer works, although the head works at least, so that is one good thing. My main problem now, though, is I didn't really want to do this even when I had a spares machine. And now I've got to go and find a PCB as well. In fact, I've just noticed that they're different heads too. Oh no, that's why they died. I reckon, oh, they've got different voltages in them, haven't they? Comment down below if I just plugged an ERP head onto a non-ERP machine and the PCBs are different. Oh, that might have been quite dumb. Yeah, and that means as well that I couldn't have used that for a donor, even if I tried, unless I swapped all of the ends around, which I probably could have done. So I don't know, really. I think this video is just going to be a cautionary tale on why to avoid the heck out of all but the most working DC50. I don't think I'm going to bother repairing these at all. I don't think you're going to see these again because I just don't care about them that much. What do you think? Comment down below. Should I just break these for spares and have done with it, or should I try and get one or both, probably just one, working and sold, because again, they're good physically machines. This one's missing its tool holder, annoyingly, and neither have their small tools, annoyingly, and yeah, both are now broken. Well done me. Oh, what a terrible day. So, there we go. I have ruined what I set out to achieve. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I, in this another disastrous Dyson, will see you soon. Bye bye.